Let's talk about Alcatraz. It makes total historical sense for this series to be aired in any channel on the face of this planet.
Yes, it's totally yes. I'm shaking my head in agreement. Totally, it makes total perfect sense.
And I assure you, it makes complete sense to overdo the blonde thing and convince us that the lead is totally at all not Aryan. There is no way we could have guessed that you were planning an Aryan backstory from seeing the lead. I assure you, it's impossible for us to have noticed that. Bye!